Ready to uncover the secret side of Amazon? These incredible hidden gadgets are the kind of finds you won't believe actually exist, and they're going viral for a reason. From genius time savers to space code for everyday life. All the products are linked for you in the description below. Imagine running, but with the resistance and support of water. This underwater treadmill combines fitness with rehabilitation, giving you a low-impact way to train your body while reducing stress on the joints. The hydraulic drive system keeps water and electricity fully separated, making it safe and reliable. Speed can be adjusted to fit light exercise or intense training, and the detachable wireless control lets coaches guide from poolside. What if your sneakers weren't just sneakers, but a gaming rig in disguise? Picture a shoe-shaped PC powered by an RTX 3080, complete with glowing lights and vents that look like futuristic souls. It's not for running laps, it's for running games. Imagine placing this on your shelf, part sneaker art, part powerhouse machine. A sneaker you can't wear, but definitely flex on. Crumbs in the car, pet hair on the couch, dust hiding in corners. Meet the pocket-sized vacuum that tackles it all. Weighing just over a pound, it's light enough to use one-handed without any strain. The brushless motor delivers powerful suction, pulling in everything from dirt to pet fur in seconds. A built-in LED light reveals hidden messes, and the cordless design means you can clean anywhere with ease. Family hikes just got a whole lot easier. This baby carrier backpack lets you take your little one along safely and comfortably while keeping your hands free. A padded seat with safety straps and stirrups keeps your child snug while you stay supported with adjustable, cushioned straps. There's even an insulated pocket for bottles and a foldable changing pad for those urgent moments. A sun and rain hood protects your child, so adventure never has to wait. Backyard pizza nights just got an upgrade. This 2-burner gas oven reaches sizzling heat fast, giving you restaurant-quality pizza in under 2 minutes. The high dome and insulated body keep the heat where it belongs for perfectly crisp results every time. It's portable enough for family gatherings and sturdy enough to stay put while cooking. And it's not just for pizza, grill veggies, meats, or even fish with ease. Your entire workshop fits into one sleek machine. This 4-in-1 crafting tool lets you laser engrave, cut, print, and even draw. No need for multiple devices. Switch between modes in just seconds and create everything from custom signs to t-shirts to holiday decor. It works on over 1,000 materials, from wood and fabric to curved surfaces. Beginner-friendly but powerful, it helps bring your creative ideas to life with professional results. Canning just got way easier. This electric mason jar vacuum sealer locks in freshness with the press of a button. No hand pumps or tricky steps required. It works with both wide and regular mouth lids, sealing jars in seconds, so your pantry staples, pickles, or homemade goodies stay fresher for longer. A single charge can handle over 100 jars, making it a true time saver. Simple, automatic, and perfect for everyday food storage. Real quick, before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars, I've put together a secret Amazon cheat sheet that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide. Links in the description. Think of this as a little robot buddy that watches over your home. With wheels, it can move around to check every corner instead of staying stuck in one spot. The 2K camera gives you super clear video, and night vision keeps things visible even in the dark. You can even talk through it or get a call straight from the device with one touch. Cute design, big battery, and smart features make it perfect for families and pets alike. Chess just got a high-tech upgrade. This smartboard lights up to guide your moves, making it easier to learn, practice, and play like a pro. Touch any piece, and it shows you possible moves or even warns you about mistakes. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you connect and play online matches directly from the board, no phone needed. With lessons, AI coaching, and a companion app, it's like having a personal chess tutor at home. Your webcam doesn't have to be boring anymore. This 4K camera gives you crystal clear video at smooth frame rates, making calls and streams look professional. The built-in AI can track your face or gestures, so it follows you naturally without fiddling with settings. Want to zoom? Just use a simple hand motion. With HDR, dual microphones, and multiple shooting modes, you're always ready for meetings, classes, or live streaming. Grill cleanup doesn't have to be a chore anymore. This automatic grill cleaning robot takes over the dirty work while you kick back and relax. Just set it on the grates, press a button, and its spinning brushes tackle grease, grime, and char with ease. It even beeps to let you know when the job's done. Hands-free, fuss-free, and perfect for anyone who loves barbecuing without the messy cleanup. Mornings don't have to feel so harsh. This sunrise alarm clock gently fills your room with light before the sound kicks in, making waking up feel more natural. You can set 2 alarms, one with just sound, the other with both light and sound. Perfect if you share a room or have different schedules. 15 calming sounds, from ocean waves to birdsong, help you drift off at night. Imagine carrying a movie theater in your pocket. These AR glasses create a massive 201-inch virtual screen with sharp colors and smooth 120 Hz playback. Switch between game, movie, or everyday modes at the press of a button. Built-in speakers keep the sound rich while keeping it private, so you won't disturb anyone nearby. Plug into your phone, laptop, or console and enjoy an immersive world anywhere you go. Cold weather doesn't stand a chance. This lightweight heated vest warms your core and even your hands with built-in heating zones. A single button lets you switch between 3 heat levels, so you're always comfortable. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 10 hours and can even top up your phone. Water-resistant, windproof, and machine washable, it's the perfect layer for commuting, outdoor adventures, or just staying cozy anywhere. Chilly room? Not anymore. This portable space heater warms up fast with ceramic heating that spreads heat evenly across the room. You can set the exact temperature you want and even use the remote or timer for hands-free control. Safety features like tip-over and overheat protection keep it worry-free. Quiet, powerful, and compact, it's the cozy upgrade every bedroom or office needs in winter. DIY just got way easier. This cordless hot glue gun heats up in just 30 seconds, so you're never waiting around to start a project. The anti-drip nozzle keeps your workspace clean, while the smart auto shutoff adds peace of mind if you forget to power it down. Lightweight and rechargeable, it's perfect for crafts, school projects, or quick home fixes. You even get colorful glue sticks to kickstart your creativity. Your game room deserves more than just lights. It deserves a canvas. This pixel light isn't just bright. It displays time, weather, scores, and even pixel art in real time. You can pick from over 150 vibrant scenes or upload your own GIFs for a custom look. It even reacts to your music, pulsing with the beat. Control it all with your voice or app for the ultimate smart setup. Ready to lounge like a legend? This giant gorilla sofa turns your space into a jungle hideout with King Kong himself holding you in a plush embrace. It's oversized and ridiculously comfy, perfect for gaming marathons, movie nights, or just stretching out with friends. The soft faux fur feels like a luxury blanket, while the sturdy build supports up to 600 plus pounds with ease. Bold, playful, and impossible to ignore. This sofa isn't just furniture, it's the centerpiece of fun. Why drag your luggage when you can ride it? This portable suitcase doubles as a scooter, letting you glide smoothly through airports or stations without breaking a sweat. At just 6.8 kilograms, it's lightweight yet strong enough to handle daily travel. The smart handlebar controls acceleration, braking, and even reversing with ease. With built-in lights and app control, your trip just got a whole lot more fun. Ever wish you had superhuman legs? This AI-powered exoskeleton gives your movements a serious boost. It recognizes your posture and times its support perfectly, so walking, climbing, or carrying feels effortless. With up to 11 miles of assistance on a single charge, you'll go farther with less fatigue. Lightweight aluminum keeps it durable, yet comfortable, while splash and dust resistance means you can use it almost anywhere. Your bike deserves better than a flimsy lock, and this one takes security to a whole new level. Built with an advanced graphene steel blend, it's tough enough to stand up against serious tampering attempts. Despite that strength, it's surprisingly light and easy to carry, so you won't dread taking it along. A weather-resistant design keeps the keyhole protected, and you get multiple keys for convenience.